Alright, so I am staying at my granddad's house for 4 days, and here's the first thing I've seen. It's a Fujitsu halcyon. This is quiet. I never filmed this unit before, to be honest. I'm gonna film the inside of it later, after I'm done with this. This is a 12,000 BTU from 2009. So, they also have an outside unit, but it's pretty much loud, I guess, but it's a Rheem, so. Oh yeah, I have avocado trees over here, yeah. Yeah, this thing is quiet as hell. It's matched the knee split, so. And it's running in heating mode, the inside is cool, so. Yeah, let's go check the inside. And here's the inside of the knee split. Fujitsu halcyon indoor air quality. Alright. And first thought, here's the home's tower fan that they have over here. I'm gonna film their outside central air conditioner tomorrow. It's a Rheem Classic series, so. But at least I'm just gonna show you the furnace. And they also have like and I'm planning tomorrow to do a startup and shutdown of that, so, you know. Manufactured by Rheem, installed by Magical. This company installed my root too, so I'm glad they filmed it back in. It's from 2004, and it's a 17,000 BTU furnace. So it looks like they have some repairs around here. Not pretty sure. Here's the Honeywell thermostat that they have. It's so old, man. Like, imagine having this in my house. So, I'm gonna try to show you the other side from the unit, but I don't know, man. It's actually running. I don't know. Oh, damn it. I almost dropped the camera. I don't know if you can see the unit, but yeah. I'll film it tomorrow at least, so. Well, I guess over and out.